Hi, welcome to my video, Clickbank Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. And today I'm going to do a short video on this new software which I found. This software is called Social Prospecting Professionals. And, before I show you that, well, let me just turn it on. Okay, so I'm logged into the software. Let's do a quick review. What this software does, now, let me just explain something to you. This is really simple. A lot of people, this is my Facebook timeline. A lot of people are online and they are posting, and what their objective is they're really prospecting. So they're trying to get people to like their post, to comment on their post, and in some cases, what they're trying to do is actually friend those people. Well, the ideal is this: you're trying to find prospects, so that's what they're doing. Now, it's not a bad ideal, but it is extremely time consuming. And what social professional prospecting does, it actually takes something that took me days to do. I mean, hours and hours and hours to do. It cuts it down into maybe about a half an hour, 45 minutes. This is what I mean. It's a lot easier to do your selling, whether you're selling a weight loss product, whether you're selling a make money online product, whatever product you're selling, it's a lot easier to sell that if people are coming to you asking you questions. Now, if you are too ashamed or too embarrassed to tell them about your position or your opportunity, then this ain't for you. But check this out. Right here, I have 11 messages. So I have people that are coming to me asking me about my opportunity or what am I doing. Now, they may not say it straight out, but that's what they mean. What are you doing? What Social Prospector does is that keeps my box filled. I mean, seriously, it keeps my box filled. My daily regimen is this. Now, this is my daily regimen. I wake up in the morning. Now, for me, I don't come straight to this, but I wake up in the morning and I actually check my friends list. Now, this is not too impressive for some of you. I got 514, but it's how quickly I got those 514 that's impressive. What's today? Thursday? 5 days. Now, I didn't start off with zero, though. I started off with about maybe 47. And the thing about this is this: I would not get all those people into my opportunity, but I'm working with those people. I'm screening out people. I have people texting me or messaging me asking questions, and all I do is answer the questions. What that does for me is this: I have a funnel, and I put those individuals through my funnel if they are willing. Now, if they're not, no big deal. And this is nothing, I got 16 people. Most of those happened in the last 4 days that I have actually entered into my funnel. Now, I know for some of you, that's not a lot because some of you are looking for those killer numbers. This is all about learning how to market. This is about making a win. Let me see something here. There we go. But understand the big picture. The big picture is it's about screening people out, talking to the people that I want to talk to, and then bringing the people into my circle that I want to bring into my circle. Now, everybody doesn't want to get into my circle. That's okay. That is completely okay. But for those that do, fine. One of the advantages in actually being this self-employed thing is that you can pick and choose, if you're smart, who you want to work with, because you don't want to work with everybody. Some people are just a big headache. You don't want to work with them. But let's go back to Social Prospecting Pro. Now, I'm not going to run the software. You know what? I am going to run the software. I can go. Okay, it's already open and it's running now. I'm looking at my timeline And check this out. This is a sponsored post. Stop fighting the Facebook ad battle. Get my whatever, whatever, whatever. This is by this guy, Rudy. And he has 46 people that actually like, comment, or something on this post. Well, what Social Prospecting Pro would do, and I'm just going to do a couple because there's a limit as to how many you want to do per day. And I've been working this morning, so I'm almost at my limit. All I got to do here is just click start, and it will begin to send out posts. I'm going to stop around 2. It's going to send out friend requests. I don't have to do this manually. And some of those people will answer back and some will not. I have already sent out 160. So I want you to imagine this. I want you to just wrap this around your brain. If every morning I get up, I look at my posts. Now, there are other ways that I can do this too now. This is not the only way. But if every morning I get up, I look at my posts. Now, if I'm sending out 200 friend requests every day, and I'm getting about 80 on average, then out of the 80, I might get about maybe 20, 30, 40, maybe sometimes more people that are asking me questions, which that's giving me an opportunity to actually converse with those people and try to get people into my program. If, now there's a big if I think it's a good fit for me. Like I said earlier, one of the main advantages, and I got this from Russell Brunson, you don't want to work with everybody. You may think you do, but you really don't. So you want to work with people that you feel that you can be comfortable with. Some people are at the beginning stages. Some people are intermediate. And some people are at the ending stages. Where are you? Where are you with your product? In this particular case, obviously, I'm in to make money online. I'm at the beginning. So I want to work with people at the beginning stages, right? I hope you like my content. And number one, if you do like where I'm going with this, please subscribe below. Click on the bell. And if you have any comments, just ask. Please, just ask. The other thing I want to talk to you about, and there's a second thing, is how do I paste all this together? Because if I got people on one end that are interested in my, I'm going to say opportunity, depends on what you're selling, right? If I have people on one hand, what do I do when I get those people? This is what I do. I have another software called Chatmatic. They are separate from Facebook Messenger, but it's a legal software, book messenger. And I have messages. I have messages that I can send to them. For example, let me just show you one of those. And then I'm going to get out of here. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I promise you I wouldn't do that. This is not a long link about that. This is primarily about Social Professional Pro. So here's how that works. I send a message to a person that might be interested. I should have pulled up Social Media Pro. And here it is. It's screening. It's a conversation. Here's my product. They click on the link. They get my product. They click on the link. Boom. Guess what? I got their email. So this was a complete conversation. Started here. And it goes on and on. And this can go as in-depth as you want it to go. I like that picture. Okay, so this can go as in-depth as you want it to go. So let me wrap this up. If you're interested in this product or just want to take a look, they do have a trial period. I'm going to put the link below in the comment section. But other than that, thank you very much for watching my video. If you found this of some value, please, and I'm going to say please, like my video, please subscribe, and leave any comments below. You hate it, tell me. All right? In my next video, Clickbank affiliate marketing for beginners, I'm going to go a little bit more into Chatmatic. That's the software that you're looking at now. And just let you see a little bit more behind the scenes as to how that works, because they also have a fantastic offer. So, again, thank you very much. You have a good day. Peace.